Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2015 on a 65 plate wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi, just 22,000 miles on the clock. One owner vehicle, direct from Motability, and as you see from this short video, is in grade A condition. Finished in lava red metallic. Comes with a full dealer main service history. It's the automatic DSG gearbox version, 7-speed. Apologies if the commentary is a little bit taken over by the windy conditions today. As you'll see, grade A condition on the vehicle. It's an automotive group conversion, so it's a 5-seat plus the wheelchair, with a 7-seat option just by buying rear seats that will just clip into the back on the existing runners using the existing seat belts. So it's a 400 kilo heavy duty ramp, so slightly heavier duty to take those heavy duty wheelchairs and scooters from the 300 kg on the standard. And it has the wider floor of 33 inches. Overhead storage. So the rear seats, if you wanted to do as a 7-seater, of course you wouldn't be able to use the wheelchair, but they just clip over those runners, one on either side, and then you turn the vehicle into a 7-seater. We have the seats for £350 if you're interested in that as well. So this is the 7-seat option. 4-point securing on the wheelchair, standard. All round, so rear parking sensors on the back. We can also get front parking sensors done for you. It's got the stage 2 conversion for taxi drivers information. If you're looking to part exchange, we can take part exchange any vehicle. Doesn't have to be wheelchair access. If you're looking for finance, we can do finance as well. Motor Novo. Send you over a quick quote. We're offering certain cars 0% interest free. So if you're interested in finance and want to take advantage of the 0%, give us a call. 01634 716 911. If you want to pop along and see us on our forecourt, we've got about 25 WAVs in stock. Postcode for your sat-navs, ME24RL. We're located at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott, just outside Rochester. Or if you want to have a look on our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Thanks for watching, I hope to see you.